Is the Renault Trafic the perfect van for all trades? Well, to find out, we're putting it in the hands of real business owners for a day to see what they think.
My name's Heidi. My business is The Bespokery. We specialise in large creative installations.
Very attractive on the outside, but a huge amount of volume on the inside, which means that we can have our installations pre-assembled and ready to go. 200,000 kilometre warranty, which is so good for the peace of mind. With the coat hooks, being able to tie down and keep things on the side of the van while you're using the middle part, or secure flyaway balloons while you're loading and unloading boxes from the centre is ingenious for us. I'd be pretty happy in this van. There's a lot of clever stuff that hasn't been thought of before.